So today I'm going to be trying and testing this OxyEnergy Liver Cleanse, Detox, and Repair. The brand themselves gave me this product to give my honest review on it. You're supposed to take 2 packets a day with a meal, and you need to, it's not going to be like instant results. You're going to have to take it consistently for about 90 days or more to really see if you can tell a difference, you know. But it has organic milk thistle, turmeric, dandelion, and it has non-GMO. It comes with 30 packs. It has what else does it have? It has ginger. I think I already said that. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm just listing like some things that it has. And I recommend you to look at their product page to see if it would be good for you to take this before trying it. But it's also sugar-free, dairy-free, egg-free, shellfish free, gluten-free, nut-free, and it has 25 calories per serving, so that's nice. So I'm going to show you guys how this looks, and I'm going to taste it myself. So I have my cup here, and it's a shot, so it's a liquid packet. You don't need to add water, nothing. You just cut it open. You can drink it here as is, but I want you guys to see the liquid. It is orange flavored, so just in case, so you know. Let's see. It already looks really bright, as you can see right there. And let me pour it in the cup. So this is how the liquid looks. It tastes really good. As you can see, it's a little thick, because you can see it's like a, well, it's not, yeah, very little thickness, very little. It's mostly, it tastes really good. You can taste the turmeric, you can taste the orange, and it smells good too. They recommend you to take this with a meal and not by itself as well, so do be aware of that. But overall, it tastes good, it has good benefits. I would completely recommend this product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products that I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.